All right, boys. So we're just taking her down to the chassis at the moment. Got the electronic tray out, and it actually comes with a power pack, which is kind of cool. A little hump pack, nice, and it has a fucking Spectrum fucking dog shit in it. Bullshit. But yeah, we're slowly breaking her down. These lines, man, these lines are god awful. So, there you go. She's looking, slowly taking her down, eh? Yeah, let's get you another good look at it, baby. Yeah, that's definitely an aftermarket pipe. Yeah, so I've been going through it, and if you take a peeky inside, I don't know if you can see it, but that bitch is top dead. That's why she's all seized up. And I didn't realize it was roto start. But yeah, we're getting her slowly tore down. She's so good. And I actually didn't realize these are pro lines. Fuck yeah, man.